Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight into Xactimate. Open a real or sample estimate so you can see live fields. Once done, log into your account and verify you have permissions to create macros. This prevents save errors later. Make sure the macros or custom items feature is enabled in preferences, and note where the macro editor lives in your version. You want an active estimate open, so when you record or script actions, every step maps to real fields rather than placeholders. Now create the macro. Open the macro editor and select New Macro, giving it a descriptive name so you can find it later. Record a run-through or type actions, add line items, set unit costs, enter measurements, and apply conditions. Recording captures mouse clicks and field entries. Use variables or placeholders for values that change between jobs so the macro stays flexible. Test each segment as you build it, so you can isolate problems before they compound into a long. To finish, run the macro on your sample estimate and verify totals, scopes, and unit types match expectations. This is where you catch misapplied items. Make refinements, reorder actions, add pauses or confirmation prompts, and save a version copy so you can revert. If things go wrong, isolate the failing step by running segments, re-record that part, and confirm your account permissions and update state. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cached values and restart Xactimate before retesting to avoid stale field behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.